Yes, I like egusi with onugbu. Egusi soup with onugbu is one of my favorites. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And I like it light with the sauce. Not thick. I don't like it thick. This is how I like it. Do you like egusi with onugbu? How do you like it? Welcome and welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Grey Glamour, GGM. Today I'm going to show you how to cook the traditional egusi with onugbu. Meanwhile, click the like button, subscribe if you have not, and share the video. Now I will show you the ingredients that I will use to cook the egusi with onugbu soup. I will leave it in the description box so you can go there and check it out. Let's go. I have here goat meat, palm oil, egusi, onugbu, that is bitter leaf, dry fish, crayfish, okpei, seasoning cube, and pepper. The first step is to cook the meat. I used here goat meat. You can use any meat of your choice. You can use fish, beef, lizard, and even rabbit meat. Anyone you choose to use, just make sure you season it and cook until the meat is tender. Right now, I am going to add the fish, the dry fish, so that they will cook together. When it is cooked, I will remove the meat. Remember, it is the stock, the water, that I will use to cook the soup. This soup is just so very little for this is the type of soup you will call have a lick and a smile. Now put the pot on fire, add palm oil, the egusi. This is to melt the egusi and to give it a very traditional taste. There are other methods to cook egusi. I will show you another method later. Then you add the water, the stock, and cook for some minutes, like let's say 10 to 15 minutes. The good thing about egusi is that as long as you cook it, the longer you cook it, the better. The longer you cook it, the better. The sweeter it comes out. You see now, the egusi, the texture of the egusi is like a little bit watery, but at the same time you will notice that it is already cooked. Then I will now add the onugbu and cook it for some minutes. Egusi soup doesn't need much oil because egusi has its own natural, the seed has its own natural oil. So the longer you cook egusi, the more oil that comes out. See what I'm talking about? And the more oil that comes out, the sweeter the soup will be. That is the trick. Now, I have pounded crayfish, pepper, and okpei. You cannot cook egusi soup without adding okpei. You cannot. Now I'm going to add the meat and the fish. It's almost ready, my people. It is almost ready. You people should start warming up. How do you want to eat it? With fufu, with gari, or with semo? Me, I am going to just dish my own share and lick it. I just added salt to taste, and my egusi with onugbu is ready. It is ready to be enjoyed by me. Well, on your behalf also. So, my beautiful people, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, I remain your favorite Grey Glamour, GGM. See you. Bye.